Okay, so the name of this game is continuity. So when we want to check for continuity, we want to check to see that the limit as x approaches. In this case, we're looking at the value of c. So I want -3 from the negative side of f of x, and I want to find the limit as x approaches -3 from the positive side of f of x. And then I want to check out what f of -3 is equal to. And hopefully, if I get all of those values to be the same, then the function is continuous. If I don't get all three of those values to be the same, then the function is not continuous. But in this case, approaching from the left is at -2, approaching from the right is at -2, and f of -3 is also -2. So the continuity, so this is continuous everywhere. So f of x is continuous on the entire real number line. Okay. All right. Now, if I look at question 3, and it is similar to question 4, what College Board likes to do is they like to ask you to find the value of, in this case, it should be b, find the value of b so that the function is continuous. So we're going to force continuity. What that means is that the limit as x approaches, in this case it's 1, from the negative side of f of x has to be equal to the limit as x approaches 1 from the positive side of f of x, which also has to be equal to f of 1. Okay, well, this top equation here deals with this entire left-hand side. So that means that the limit as x approaches 1 in general is x squared minus x over x minus 1. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to say that that's equal to f of 1, which in this case is b. So I'm trying to figure out what the value is of b. So I'm going to take the limit, x approaches 1. I have a common factor of x in the numerator, so I'm factoring out an x. And the reason why I'm factoring out an x is because if I were to just plug in x into my denominator to start off with, I would have gotten 0 in the denominator. And this is supposed to be equal to b, so I get the limit as x approaches 1 of x is equal to b. So then I plug in my 1 in for my x, so 1 is equal to b. Okay, so that's the value of b. Okay? All right, let me know if you guys have any questions about this problem set.